Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, finding a bikini trimmer that's effective, comfortable, and versatile can be a bit of a challenge. Today, I'm diving into the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit, a cordless trimmer designed specifically for women's grooming needs. Whether you're prepping for a beach day or just want a quick touch-up, this tool promises to make your routine easier. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This trimmer is designed for precision, comfort, and convenience, all while offering a wet-dry option. The first thing I noticed is how lightweight and easy it is to handle. It's powered by a single AA battery, which comes included, so you don't need to worry about charging it. The design is sleek, white and green, which gives it a fresh, clean look, and the cordless feature is perfect for grooming anywhere, whether you're at home or on the go. When it comes to usage, I found the Remington Smooth and Silky trimmer to be incredibly user-friendly. The wet-dry functionality allows you to use it in or out of the shower, depending on what's most convenient for you. For me, I prefer using it in the shower. It just makes the whole process smoother and less messy. And speaking of smooth, the trimmer works surprisingly well on the bikini line, where skin is more sensitive. The angled foil shaver is gentle but efficient, providing close results without causing irritation. The rotating exfoliator brush is another feature that caught my eye. This is a nice addition, as it helps remove dead skin cells, giving your skin a radiant finish after shaving. I did find that it wasn't as powerful as a standalone exfoliator, but for a two-in-one tool, it did a pretty decent job. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. The cordless design is fantastic, offering freedom of movement and ease of use. The wet-dry option is also a huge plus for those who like to multitask in the shower. The trimmer is great for sensitive skin, providing a smooth, close shave without the risk of nicks or cuts. It's also very affordable for the value it provides, especially when you consider that it's an all-in-one tool. Cons? On the flip side, the trimmer does have a couple of small downsides. The exfoliator brush, while functional, isn't as intense as other exfoliating tools on the market, so don't expect to use it for heavy-duty exfoliation. Also, while the trimmer does an excellent job on the bikini line, it's not the best for larger areas, as it's designed more for precision grooming. In terms of value for money, this trimmer definitely delivers. It's affordable, it works well, and it comes with several features that make it versatile. The wet-dry functionality, along with the exfoliator brush, justifies its price point, especially considering how many high-end bikini trimmers can cost much more. When comparing it to other trimmers on the market, it holds its ground. Some higher-end options may offer more power or extra features, but for the price, the Remington Smooth and Silky offers great performance. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a simple, effective tool for sensitive areas without breaking the bank. As for build quality, it feels sturdy despite being lightweight. The materials are standard for a mid-range product, and the AA battery-powered design is a great way to keep it simple and hassle-free. The longevity seems good, and as long as you follow the instructions for care, it should last you a while. Now, I didn't have direct experience with customer support, but Remington has a generally positive reputation for handling inquiries efficiently. If you do run into any issues, it seems like they are quick to help resolve things. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the chic Hydro Silk trim style is another solid choice with similar features. It's a bit pricier, but also offers great performance for sensitive skin. So if you're willing to spend a little more, it could be worth considering. To wrap things up, the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit is a reliable and affordable tool for anyone in need of a simple, effective trimmer for their bikini line and sensitive areas. It delivers smooth results without irritation and offers great value for money. If you're someone who wants a tool that's easy to use, compact, and efficient, this might be the perfect choice for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the comments or description box for a link to purchase the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.